This is my grand premiere presentation of my project that I've been working on in this office, a project within a project. And it is, drum roll, created 4 different planners to be downloaded and to be printed at home and customized and DIY'd and just to be enjoyed. And I am so excited to share this with you guys because I've been printing this up and customizing it and doing things with it, and I've been just finding so much joy in doing it. And the idea came from me always ordering the same planners every year. I actually always order Erin Condren planners. I think I have one right here. Erin Condren planners. And while they're very beautiful and comprehensive, they're a little too comprehensive. Like, they just have too much going on. And by the time I reach a certain time in the school year, I just stop using it. And so, like, I always use the pacing guide in these planners, but I never really utilize the lesson planning because the lesson planning just isn't really like right for me. It seems like it's more for an elementary school teacher, not for like a middle school teacher or high school teacher with just 1 to 2 preps. And so, or however many preps, maybe 3, but not like an elementary school teacher who might have like more subjects that they're teaching. And so I made a streamlined planner that has your pacing guide, has your to-do list, has your lesson planning space, and that's the bulk of the planner, what you essentially need to survive as a teacher. And so that's what I put together. It is my baby. I love this planner so much. I was having so much fun just going through and just, you know, kind of like quality checking it and seeing like, okay, like if I were teaching a lesson this week, what would it be like? How would I use this planner? And, you know, I've been using planners and loving planners since I was in high school. And so I've used basically all the major name brand planners. They're putting too much in the planners and we need to like fall back and kind of streamline a little bit more. So anyway, you can put stickers in here. You can do all sorts of stuff. I'm thinking about making stickers too. If you buy a bundle of like the different planner covers and stuff like that. I have this cover, which is like a leopard print cover. I like it a lot. People think it's lipstick, but it's not lipstick. And then I have this one, which is like a really like fun, bubbly planner. This is the weekly lesson plan space. So it gives you a lot of vertical space to write your lesson plans. And then this planner is the like everything printed out. And what I think I'm going to do is I've always wanted to do this, but I've never been able to do it because I couldn't customize my planner to this degree. But I've always wanted to have like a fall winter 1 planner and a winter 2 spring planner. So have 2 planners that kind of are like, you know, the first half of the year and the second half of the year. And so this one, I really love this color. I love this marble feel. This is like a basically kind of like what you can do and then some, you know, because I know you guys are like way more creative. But you can put stickers, you can do all sorts of stuff. You can write, you can do your lettering, you can do all sorts of stuff in here. So I hope that you guys check it out. I will be rolling out more videos, so please click to subscribe so that you stay on top of all the videos that will be coming out related to the planner and to other projects that I have going on. And also remember, dale un like, give the video a like if you like it, and I will see you around in coming videos. Ciao.